Cuboyd.
Yeah. I'm not sleeping here. It's in between two houses I own. And how's the video doing?
200.
Quarter of a milli. Not bad for a comeback.
Now 200 views.
Oh fuck! Well, let's get on with it then. Oh Jesus Christ! Why is there glass in my bedroom? I mean, not my bedroom. What's the frickin' use? I'm sleeping in a bush. No one wants me back. Flipping now, bleeding profusely from the hands. I'm pretty sure I'm about to lose a fight with a hedge. You know the worst thing? I'm always tired.
He has returned.
Before we start, it's important we explain that YouTube dropped us as partners, but that's fine. Please don't hurt my family, Google-owned company. But it does mean that we've had to find other means of payment and revenue by becoming influencers. This episode is sponsored by Johnson's Paper Mill. Paper, it's so good with Johnson's Paper Mill Solutions Limited. Welcome back to the Cuboyd, where adolescent dreams go to die. Now that's a TikTok attention span indication system, so let's jump straight into today's bet.
Oh my god, Cuboyd, I cannot believe you're back. There's no way you remember me, but I was one of the first subscribers back on my old gaming account. If you still do bets, you never did mine. Then I bet you can't fly a giant paper airplane. Peace, love, and paper. Jeff.
That's great, Jeff, but where are we going to find a giant paper airplane? Jesus Christ! So after that uncomfortably long introduction which stank to high heaven of YouTube viewer engagement tactics, we're going to fly a giant paper airplane, as per the heavily edited thumbnail photo. So here's Joe 1 to talk us through the aviation safety precautions.
Aeronautics is the study
Snore! Thank you, Joe. Let's get on with the episode.
No, I should tell you about this time in
Okay,
air cadets.
I'm just going to take a closer
It's
look at
actually
the
quite
floor.
traumatic. I was bunking with this guy.
So here I am, sat on a giant paper airplane made of just the most exquisite paper.
Is that paper from Johnson's Paper Mill?
Yes. So I am going to ride this baby, hit full thrust, launch off the lip of this hill and soar into the air, and generally make Jeff look like a little girl's blouse.
That's one we can't say anymore.
Okay, well I'm going to make Jeff look like whichever gender he doesn't identify with, and the comedy is simply in the fact that that clashes with his own self-perception of his identity. All genders are strong and powerful and sexy.
No.
Not sexy, hideous, ugly.
No.
Can I just ride this giant paper airplane, Joe? Are we cleared for takeoff, please?
Yep.
Thank you, Joe.
It's Kyle.
Thank you, Joe. Let's cube this.
Cuboyd? You okay?
Are we YouTube partners yet?
No.
Well, you know what they say. When life gives you lemons, count yourself. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed it. We definitely were occupied for the afternoon. Don't forget to subscribe. They don't show you our videos anyway. And don't forget to stream the theme tune. We make 0.0004p every time. And don't forget to dislike if you're racist. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.